Holte extractor hammers are designed to get casing out of the ground and free stuck tooling. The hammer sends vibrations at around 1,000 blows per minute and hits on the upstroke to remove casing in minutes instead of hours. The bigger the hammer, the more air you need. Adapters are available to hang from a crane, isolate the top head, and to thread or weld into various casing or tool sizes.
Pulled 12-inch casing like butter. Honestly, didn't even have to pull. Left slack in the winch line and it shot right out. We did 2 other surface welds recently and it was taking a day and a half per well to pull casing. With the EX200, it took 2 or 3 minutes. A rig can pull 60,000 pounds, but having elevators, slings, and chains breaking, someone could have gotten hurt. The extractor hammer is by far the safest method to pull casing.